Pain don't fade, even meds can't tame it. Cut me open, still they couldn't name it. How bad is it? No one can explain it. Lost in my body, I don't even claim it. Pills on my tongue, but the ache's still alive. Flatline silence, but the nerves still cry. Scalpel dreams, they could deep inside. Stitch me up, but the truth still hides. White coat guessing, but they lost in the fog. X-ray vision, but they missing the cause. Numbers look clean, but I'm breaking the law on my own body. I'm fighting it raw. How far gone? I don't know the scale. Every test come back like a ghosted trail in the mirror. I don't even look the same. Who's inside? I can't say the name. Pain don't fade, even meds can't tame it. Cut me open, still they couldn't name it. How bad is it? No one can explain it. Lost in my body, I don't even claim it. Doctor said wait, but I'm losing time. Every breath got a cost, every second a crime. Diagnosis blank like a missing line. Am I sick or just stuck in my mind?